Postman Pat, Postman Pat, Postman Pat, and his black and white cat. Early in the morning, just as day is dawning, he picks up all the post bags in his van. Postman Pat, Postman Pat, Postman Pat, and his black and white cat. All the birds.
This is an emergency broadcast from the British government. Please pay close attention. The Russian Federation has launched a nuclear attack against the United Kingdom. Please follow all necessary safety procedures. The Prime Minister, John Major, is currently unavailable to speak on the matter. Non-essential services and telephone lines are halted until further notice. Remember, there is nothing to be gained by trying to get away. By leaving your homes, you could be exposing yourselves to greater danger. Make your food stocks last. Ration your supply, because it may have to last for 14 days or more. If you live in an area where a fallout warning has been given, stay in your fallout room until you are told it is safe to come out. We will now be providing a list of cities which are expected targets. London, Edinburgh, Teesside, Leicester, Manchester, Liverpool, Glasgow, Hull, York, Dover, Cambridge, Maidstone, Huddersfield, Wolverhampton, Coventry and Sheffield. Thank you for listening. May God save the Queen.